And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a cup holder. Take it out of the box, see what we've got. And we'll come back once I've got it all sorted out. And this is what came in the box. You've got an instruction manual. 2 pieces for the cup holder with a little rubber insert that fits down here. So nice and snug in there. You've got also an Allen key, and this piece fits inside the actual cup holder in the vehicle. You've got a little swing arm here, swings around and it attaches. Now I'll do this out in the car because you can't really see it in here. And this is the instruction pamphlet. It's 2 different types of fittings, and you can pause it at any time and have a bit of a read of it if there's anything of interest. Now I've got the cup holder in the front seat, and we'll just push it in. That's nice and secure, and the other piece slots into this little piece here, and just push it down and that locks in place. This little tray has proved quite handy. You can put your drink in on the top in that area there. You pull out the little bit, drops in a little bit further, stick it in that little section in the front there. You can do multiple drinks if you like. I've got the little Tic Tacs over there. You can throw in a bag of goodies, put a phone in if you like. So many things you can actually do. It's rather handy to have a little bit of a tray like that. I'm thoroughly enjoying this. And the best thing is you can just simply pull it out of the cup holder here and store it until you're ready to use it. And I do like the fact that you can configure it to various shapes and forms and whatever, so whatever's convenient for yourself. That's pretty handy.